считай свои сны, поклоняюсь темноте.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Ben Plays right here. Today, I'm about to blow your mind. I'll show you how to turn the Elemental Lord into Madara Rikudou in Mobile Legends with just a pig. Now before we dive in, take note. This only works on high or ultra graphics, and make sure you're using the Sanctum Island Map, okay? No shortcuts. If you're hyped already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you're always updated with my latest MLBB content. Alright, let's get into the steps. Just follow me what I do.